gentlemen, we're back. Puppie's Kennels, Iron King, B4G apparel coming soon. Hey, born for greatness. I'm filthy right now. I've been playing with dogs all day, guys. So you're going to be in tune. You're going to be in a treat. I'm using my phone, so don't mind the unstableness of the camera. We are going to do a Bulldog update from Bulleen and Zakir. A couple weeks have passed. I think we're going to be around 60 days, around October 25th. So puppies normally come anywhere between 60 and 65 days, give or take. So I always do x-rays so we know how many puppies we're going to have. If you're interested in puppies, you're going to have to email me hafizkennels@gmail, DM, direct message me at Hafiz_Kennels, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, what have you. That's how you get a pup. But anyway, let's take a look at Bulleen. There she is, frolicky, fippity, floppity, happy Bulleen. Beautiful, 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 beautiful female. She's pregnant, but she's holding them nice and tight. You can see a little bit in there. Might be about 5 to 7. We'll see. That belly's hanging down a little bit. She's got three weeks. Come on, Bulleen. Go out there. She's gonna stay right up on me, guys. So you're not gonna get too much of a good video of her unless I had Zakir out here with her. And she don't want nothing to do with him right now, because he gonna try to play and all this, that. She ain't having nothing to do with him. But beautiful Bulldog, nice and tight. Females should be real nice and tight. I actually put a picture up here probably now here of a previous litter that she just had, so you guys can kind of see what she's working with, huh? See what your baby working with, my she's a good baby. Oh no, look at your baby. Oh, your baby. Good tighten them all the muscles. Oh, she's a baby. She's a baby. She's a baby girl. She's a little lady. Believe, I know. I'm singing you a song, baby. Look at her. She's a sweetie pie. Ooh, believe. Yeah. Good dog. Smart, sweet dog. A little hard-headed when she's pregnant, but we took care of that on the discipline side. Look at those spots, those blue spots on her, which are, if you have a real classic Johnson American Bulldog, and I say real classic Johnson American Bulldog, you're going to have the blue liver spots, ink spots in the pigment. You know, that's just something that comes with the breed, man. John D. Johnson, epic breeder. Oh, big strong head. So this is Bulleen. Like I said, I'm not gonna make long videos. Beautiful girl. Markings are nice. She is sister of Diesel. Here, let me do this. Let me flip it around. Sister of Diesel. Sister off of the world-renowned War Machine. Yeah. Daughter of Megalodon. She's packed, baby. She's packed, and I ain't talking about packed like a six-pack. You did. What's your baby? What's your baby? Can you say hi, people? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Can you look in the camera? She's gonna get your babies. She's gonna hush your puppies. She's gonna hush your puppies. Look at her. So now we'll go get Zakir. We got Zakir here. We got Zakir here. We got Zakir here. We got the big boy. We got the big boy. We got the big boy. Oh shit. We got the big boy. So we got Zakir here. Only 16 months old. Beautiful, beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. Oh, just gonna drop a turd for you boys and girls. Showing off the chest as he does it. Zakir. 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 You guys didn't want to see turds, but sit boy. Okay, alright. Come on, kid. Zakir is son of Diesel, son of Snuffles. And I made a mistake on the last video. Baleen is not sister to War Machine. Snuffles is sister to War Machine, which is his mother. War Machine is his uncle. So, come here, boy. So this Joker has war renown and Matlock kennels in him. Right, kid? Right, kid? Sit down, silly boy. So this Joker is the phenomenon. The phenomenon. The phenomenon. Look at the size of this kid's head. Look at the head on this guy. Look at the head on you, boy. Look at the head on you, boy. What's your feather, boy? What's your feather, boy? Look at the bones. Look at the bones on him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at the boy. Look at the boy. So this is how he likes to play. This is how he likes to play. He's a psycho. He's a crazy man. Hafiz Kennels, Iron King. Puppies coming soon. Off of the crazy puppy, Zakir. After the crazy puppy, Zakir. Look. DM for puppies coming soon. Dynamic.
Where my dogs at? Hafiz Kennels, baby, you understand me? One of a kind dog, you understand me?